Hi everybody. I'm going to tell you a little secret that's helped us through this COVID-19 pandemic when you can't get hand soap, especially the foaming hand soap that we like from a certain store that's been closed for a long time and is still closed even though other places have opened up, and all they pretty much sell is soap. Anyway, we found out that you can take such stores, which I won't mention any name, and I'm trying to show you the blank side, their container for foaming hand soap. Take the lid off. They're hard to get off at first, so you just want to give it a little bit of pressure. Fill it up with some water to about there, and then just take any dish soap, and we use an antibacterial one. Take your dish soap, top her off, pretty color, right? Put that lid back on. Give it a good shake. And all of a sudden you've got more foaming hand soap for pennies rather than dollars. Hope that helped you out. Have a great day. Hopefully we'll get past this soon.